Hi, and welcome to today's episode of Coffee with CREN. I'm Lauren, and today we're going to be going over how to add a contact within Paragon Connect. So when you're in Paragon Connect, you're going to want to go over to this hamburger menu, go down to the contacts section, and from here you'll see this plus sign over here. You're going to press add, and you can just start filling in your name or your client's name, and you can add more fields if you want to add a company or a spouse or secondary name, their email down here, phone address, any other information. You can add a photo here. I'm going to go with that photo, and it's going to require me to do an email. So I'll just do Lauren at CRENintheLast.com and hit save. And you will see that my contact is now in here. You can email them, you can call them, you can delete it, you can edit from here. And when you're in their contact, you'll see any matches that they've done, any interests they have, any of their activity, your message history right here. So when you send them an email, it will automatically go into this message history. Since I haven't sent myself anything, nothing's showing up. That's how you add contacts within Paragon Connect. Go in and try it out for yourself.